Hello, I'm Damon, and I'm a computer hobbyist. I teach myself programming and web development in my spare time, and I also went to school as a computer science major. So I'm making this video to teach you about web development, how to create a basic site, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce you to a tool called SeaMonkey, which is an HTML editor. They call it a what you see what is what you get HTML editor because it allows you to make changes to what your page looks like and display it at the same time. So bear with me, and we're not going to build a website completely from scratch. We're going to use something called a template, which is already a website built for you, and you can, depending on the rules, like on the licensing information, you can make changes to the template and use it for whatever use. It depends. Sometimes they allow you to use it for commercial use, or if it's just to promote some cause, or just whatever you want to use it for. Okay, generally you can use a template for anything you want to use it for. You just gotta make sure you read the licensing information. Okay, so here we go. You fire up your web browser, you go to Google, and you search for SeaMonkey. That's the name of the editor we're gonna use. You click on it and then you download it. It's free, and I'm choosing to use this for obvious reasons because it's free, as opposed to using Dreamweaver, which does the same thing. It's more efficient in some ways, and it costs money too. So since this is simpler and free, and I feel like this is the right tool for the job. So you download SeaMonkey, install it on your computer, and go ahead and fire it up. And also, to build web pages, you can always start from scratch. You can go here to the tools, and then click on and go to web development, or actually window, and composer. That's the HTML editor we're going to use. So alright, here we go. To build websites, you can, like I said, you can go in and type in your code directly, like it is here. You can go into the body and then type h1 hello my website information goes here, and then preview it. This will tell you how it's going to look and so forth. And you can, of course, like you can do like I'm doing here, or you can just download a template and make changes to the template. So I'm going to go for that second approach. I'm going to go to google.com again and then search for free CSS templates. What CSS stands for is cascading style sheets. What it does is it allows you to control how your website looks by giving you finer control beyond the bare HTML tags. Like, it allows you to specify things such as the font color, the text size, like where exactly you want to display items on your web page, and so forth. So almost every website on the internet uses CSS. To give you an idea, I'm going to disable CSS from this page so you can see how it looks without CSS. I go to page, I go to view, page, style, no style. Alright, very boring. This is what it looks without CSS. This is just HTML doing its job. As you can see, not very interesting, right? So let me go ahead and put this file back. Voila. Alright, so I've searched for free CSS templates. I'm going to click on the first website that I got, and over there you can go through the templates, click on them and look at them. It's already built for you. All you gotta do is go in and make changes to it. So this one I don't like so much. I'm gonna browse all CSS templates. Okay, I could do that. Usually they have like pages and pages of these. So I'm gonna click on this and look at them. And some of these are premium. Okay. Here, I'll just pick this one, okay? Just so we have something to do. So, alright. Download. Okay, you can download it and then zip it into a folder. Make sure you remember the place you saved it at. And as you knew with computers, everything that I'm describing here should be easy to figure out. Okay, I'm gonna save it on a folder on my desktop named website. Okay, I'll unzip the files inside it, close everything, and then go to the website folder. Open it, index.html. That's the main page. Alright, this is what the web page really looks. So, now comes the fun part, the editing. You go to your Composer editor and you open the file. Go to the desktop, the folder I named website, and you open index.html. Alright, see what I'm talking about? Preview. You can see exactly how the website is going to look. And you can look at the source code here. And then you can make changes like this if you don't feel comfortable going into the code, which a lot of people won't at first. And then change things around like this, be instead of home, it's gonna be cool stuff, more cool stuff. My skills, more info. And this can be about me. Alright, so there you go. Actually, we'll just leave it at about. Because as you can see, it's pushing text too much to the side. I'll just leave it at more. You get the idea, and you can change things about the website. Instead of wild goose, you could put just do it. Alright, and depending on the license, they might require you to say this to keep this thing there. What I'm highlighting right now, designed by CSS templates, because they basically built the website, and even though they allow you to make changes and then use it as you please, a lot of times they want you to keep something there that reminds visitors that the website was built by them. So, but of course, for a great looking website, it's worth the price. If you can always go out and pay professional web developers to do the website for you, but I don't think that's the way to go nowadays, especially if all there's like free templates available, and web developers can charge you a lot of money for doing something that's like really easy to do. So alright, So you can type in welcome to my world. You can start typing text here. I am just nothing. Okay, yeah, let me do that. I am just nothing comic web developer, showing off my skills in this video tutorial. Alright, so you can do that, you know. Put things there as you see fit, you know, and so forth. It's almost like a text editor. I mean, Microsoft Word, you know, like you basically type in whatever you want inside the web page. And of course, like you can literally change all these things here. Like it's remarkable. And once you finish, you can go to preview or file, save as, give it whatever name. It's usually left fine at index.html. I will just put my site.html, and I'm gonna go back to I'm going too fast, so I'll go back again to the website folder on my desktop, click on it, and then click on my site.html. Voila, see how it's saved up all the changes that I made to it. Like home, cool stuff, more, my skills, more information about, and welcome to my world. And the text that I typed over here. Very cool stuff. So anyways, this is just like a base step, and you can always go to Google and, you know, read more about HTML and CSS to try to find out like what you can do with it. But like I've just introduced you like a web editor and templates. So, you know, it's just the beginning. Like I'm gonna put something together that's like well thought of. Like I'm kind of improvising as I go along, and I'm not such a skillful orator, and I'm trying to do my best. So, you know, look for more upcoming videos. Okay, I'll sign off. Bye.